Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is and I'm the president of IBUC, and this is our team.
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow.
You guys might be wondering what is our achievement for IBUC, right? So let's move on to it.
A piece, working, we serving the streets. About to go hit, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep.
Tick, tick, boom.
How was our achievement? Isn't it great? Well, you guys might be wondering what is our pass event, right? So let's get to it.
Tick, tick, boom.
So how was our past event? Isn't it great? So let's move on to our new event that we're going to do in the upcoming. So how's our team? Isn't it exciting? So I hope the IB student can join all the events that we're going to do, and I hope we can be a part of the IBUC family, since I promise you, you can learn something new and also help you to improve your teamwork ability. So that's it from the IBUC Red Hawk, signing off. Bye bye.